So I want to do a data driven testing on the Google. Okay, just so open the google.com, type Selenium. So this is the one search I want to do. So then there is count. There is no count. Before we used to have a count, and we were getting the count also. You see. Yeah, we don't have any count here. Generally, we used to get here count here. Now they removed that. So now, and after this, again it has to go to google.com, and then type Cypress. Multiple keywords I want to search. Then again open google.com. See, repeating this one for every test case, it is repeating. So then you have to type playwright. So only the scenario is same, but test data is different. So this is called data driven testing. See, same search only, but every time keyword, the search keyword is going to be different. That is the this. So playwright, Cypress, Selenium, all these are different search keywords, but action is the same, typing and pressing the enter key, or submitting no on the edit box, search edit box. So this is the one. So we are sending this keywords every time. So let's do how to do a data driven testing. So how to do a data driven testing. So I'm going to create a new package, TestNG programs. So first Java class, data driven, Google data driven, I will say Google search data driven test. So I'm going to take all the annotations of TestNG. So let's take from the scratch every annotation, and then we can see how it works, all the annotations, right? So I'll take from before suit onwards. So first declare private web driver as a global variable, so that I can use all this. See, I'm going to do import because it is not showing import org dot open here dot selenium dot WebDriver. So I know this package, so I can import like this. That's why this root package you should know. Then Eclipse, this IntelliJ automatically recognizes that. Same you do private WebDriver weight. So weight equal to null I can declare. If you declare a null, it's initially you're declaring null, later you can give the value. So then at the rate before suit, at the rate before suit public, so void before suit. So you can give the method name anything, but yeah, so I'm just giving so to know the better understanding purpose. So there is a one reporter dot log is there. So this is the TestNG class and that method. So you can see there are multiple parameters here. So string, only string argument you can pass. String, Boolean log to standard output. And yeah, so these are the different overloaded methods here. Log method is overloaded. So basically log is a static method. That's why class name dot static method. So reporter is a class in TestNG and log is a static method and you are overloading that method. So I'm going to use this. So this method I'm going to use. First started executing the, so that before switch, that before switch, and then reporter.log. So I'll write this annotated method will be run before all the tests inside the suite have run. So this is the just a basic. I kept it, but so we have written only string. I want to put a true. So when you write a true, what will happen? It will print in the console also. So that is the main objective of this, writing this. Same next to before test, at the rate before test. See arg.testng dot annotations. So public void before test. So before test, right? So before test, what it will do? It will so before any test tag inside the test methods execution, before this before test will execute. So do the same logging. So the logging I am doing. So started executing the thread before test. So true. So reported.log. This method will be test tag level notation. So which will be executed before any test inside the test tag as run. Okay, so we can add true. Then I am not writing anything in this before suit and before test. Now before class. So before class, I'm going to introduce my browser code, all the browser launching, everything, WebDriver initialization. So those things I'm going to do that. Public void. So launch browser I put. Launch browser. Okay. So launch browser. So launch browser. So how can we launch the browser? Reporter.log. You can just write that. So launch the browser. So driver equal to new Chrome driver. Next. So reporter.log. So maximize the browser. True. So driver dot manage method dot. Okay. So not this one, right? Window method dot maximize. So reporter dot log add implicit weight. Implicit weight. So what is the implicit weight code? Driver dot. So
manage dot
timeouts method dot implicit
implicit
weight.
weight duration of seconds.
Duration of
Seconds.
so of seconds. So I'm giving 10 seconds. Next. So reporter dot log. So then what else we can add in the launch browser? So with this browser will launch, right? Maximizers.
Explicit, sir.
So you can add explicit weight object you can create. So add explicit weight object. So true. And you can see weight equal to
Equals to
new
new
WebDriver weight
WebDriver weight driver common X duration
duration
30 millisecond.
30,000 milliseconds means 30 seconds.
weight
Next. So that's all.
pending.
So I'm going to add here in the before method public void open the application. So reporter.log open the application. True. So
Driver dot get URL.
get of
URL.
so I can give HTTPS. So google.com. Then so wait for the page title. Reporter.log wait for the page title.
Page title.
So
String
wait
title
until
expectation condition.
expectation
Present
no. A class name
Expected
is
condition.
expected to be
conditions.
present element.
Title contains
Title
or
to
title
condition.
So next, so add the assertions. Reporter.log. So I can see simply here. True. assertions. Page title.
Question dot
So
assert.
assert dot assert
Assert
equals. So you can give
two
first one
values.
is
Title. Title.
dot
Google.
get title.
Google.
That's the actual title.
One shown title.
And the expected
Another
is.
one expected.
Google.
Google.
So this is the how you can do in the before method. So then at the rate test. So public void search test.
Okay.
So the search test has a one parameter, that is string keyword. So now I verified the page title and all are good now. Now we need to type the title, the keyword, right? Started executing search test method for
Keyword.
keyword. True. Now I need to search, right? Google.com. So this is the search edit box. So find out that edit box address. So this is the text area edit box. You have a area control,
Title.
title, the placeholder. Uh, so there is a name queue. I can take this name queue is the simple one. So I will identify first search edit box. So reporter dot log search edit box element true web
Web
element
element.
search edit
Search
box equals
box is equals to driver dot find element by dot name.
so that is the name value we have to provide. So I got the element. Now you type it, enter the value. First clear the content, okay? Clear the content in search edit box element. So now search edit box dot what
Dot
is the
clear.
method?
Clear method.
So then you need to type. So how to type? So type the content in what is the method in it is for typing?
Typing also
Hmm?
click
Click
clicks. Click is button. One second. Type submit. Typing. Click means we're going to understand.
For typing, see there are simple methods you are not able to answer.
The typing means type method.
Typing is typed on. Typing. Send keys.
Yeah. See, that's why if you read 1 week same methods, why you will forget?
Value we want to give, no, sir. Send key value. Yes.
Send